So today we're doing a challenge.
A challenge for the makeup?
Yeah, and it's called My Kids Choose My Makeup. So there's the makeup. Where are my kids?
Here.
What's your name?
Jake and
Benjamin. Okay.
No,
So
I'm not Benjamin.
so who are you?
Bad kawaii. Yeah.
You're bad kawaii?
Yeah.
Okay, can you explain to people what kawaii means?
Kawaii is cute.
In what language?
My favorite. Japanese!
Yes! We have a few points in the face that we need to put color on. So we need to choose from all these beautiful colors. First we need to choose the color for my eyes. Here, look, here. Here, here.
Where? Here?
Yeah, here. But you need to choose the color.
Oh.
These are for the lips and this is for the eyes. Benny, you're gonna do this side of my face.
And this
And
side.
Jakey will do this side of the face. You choose whichever you want.
I want that one.
Okay.
I want different
Oh, no, on my eye.
I want different colors.
Okay. On the eye.
And then Mama now.
On the eye.
Oh, now I want that one and that one. That one and that one.
On the eye.
Open your eyes.
I'm going to a big party tonight, so I want to look really pretty, okay? Can you give me a smoky eye?
Smoky eye.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, this is... Oh, you're blowing... Yeah, so it won't be too much, right? Okay. Are you done with the eye or not yet?
No, not yet.
Are you doing a smoky eye like I asked you?
Mom, now lips.
Now cheeks.
Cheeks? Which one is cheeks? Here? That one?
Yeah. Oh, cheeks are... Yeah, you can do that one. Whatever you want. This is for the cheek.
And look, I got.
Oh.
And this that one.
For the cheek.
And cheek was 1, 2. Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Mom, I got 2.
I hope you guys taking this seriously. Because mommy needs to look pretty. I'm going to a party tonight.
I want to go with you.
Are you making me look good?
Mama, now mouth.
Are you finished with the cheek?
Yes, I'm done. I want that one.
Make sure to blend it.
Oh, I love it.
Is it nice?
It's nice.
Who do I look like? What kind of princess?
You look funny. No, Mama, you are silly.
No, make me pretty.
No, I'm making you pretty.
Oh, okay. Are you making me pretty too? That scares me that you guys are laughing like this. I feel pretty, oh so pretty. Why are you laughing? I'm going to a party. Do you think people will laugh at me if I go like this?
Then say you're beautiful.
They're gonna tell me I'm beautiful? Oh, okay. Maybe you guys should do my makeup every day. Yeah? Oh. I hope you're not using this kit. Benny's a real artist dipping in there.
And Mama's funny, all funny.
Beautiful funny, yeah?
Yes, you're beautiful funny. That's beautiful funny.
You're gonna show me the results after?
Yeah.
What do you think the color of the season is? What is that? Is that blush? Or is it contour?
That's a makeup.
Is it for contour?
That's for contour. I'm making you very pretty. And I'm making you funny.
Make sure you blend. Okay. Now I know that you're not being serious.
I'm serious.
Are you done?
Almost. Not yet. Almost 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yeah.
It doesn't take me so long to put makeup on.
Wow.
Benny, you killed it. You killed this kid. I think this is the glass skin that is popular now.
Sorry.
5,
No, not done.
4,
Not done.
3.
No, don't count.
But it's finished. You guys can't make me beautiful for so long. Done?
Almost.
5 seconds left. Thank you, guys.
I have to wash my hands.
Enough, Benny. Go wash your hands.
No, I have to stay long.
That's okay. You can wash it off.
Okay, now that.
Something is dripping. This works better when it's little girls. So let's thought this one through. Jessica, come see my glass skin. It's so glossy.
It's a look. It's a look.
It's all crazy. That mom had a.
You told me you're gonna make me beautiful. I need to see how I look. So what's gonna happen is
You are so funny. Why are all messy?
I'm messy. Okay, show me for the first time. Open this mirror so I can see my makeup.
To the powder.
Is that what you created?
Yeah. Well, joking.
It's beautiful.
That's funny. That's so funny. Is that beautiful?
It's beautiful.
But it's beautiful funny. Maybe you can't go to the party.
I can't go to the party?
Because you have messies.
But you said you made me pretty for the party.
There's something in your video.
There's something in my ear? Okay, I'm gonna go now.
This is so messy. You're so messy.
If you're interested in hiring Jake and Ben as your makeup artist, you just DM me. I'll make it happen for you. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. And thank you for watching this video.com. Ring the doorbell.
No, subscribe and
Ring the doorbell.
hit the bell.
Subscribe and hit your bell.
No, our bell.
Oh, our bell. And
Okay.
thank you for coming.
Love you.
Love you.